Do you want to start an online store without the hassle of managing inventory, shipping, and fulfillment? What if I told you there's a platform that connects you with thousands of suppliers, allowing you to dropship a vast array of products directly to your customers, all while keeping a healthy profit margin? That's precisely what Spocket offers, and in this video, we're going to dive deep into how you can leverage this powerful tool to build a thriving e-commerce business. Forget about the days of investing huge sums in inventory that might not sell, or spending endless hours packing boxes. Spocket takes care of the heavy lifting, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters: marketing your products and growing your brand. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty of setting up your Spocket store and finding winning products, let's understand why dropshipping, especially with a platform like Spocket, has become such a game-changer for entrepreneurs worldwide. The traditional retail model often requires significant upfront capital, a physical storefront, and a complex supply chain. Dropshipping flips this model on its head. You only purchase a product from your supplier after a customer has bought it from your store. This eliminates inventory risk, reduces overhead costs, and allows you to experiment with a wide range of products without breaking the bank. Spocket takes the advantages of dropshipping and supercharges them. Unlike some other platforms that source products primarily from distant locations, Spocket focuses on suppliers from the US and Europe. This means faster shipping times, higher quality products, and generally more reliable service, all crucial factors for building customer trust and securing repeat business. Imagine your customers receiving their orders in days, not weeks or months. That's a huge competitive advantage in today's fast-paced e-commerce landscape. So, how do you actually get started and make money with Spocket? It all begins with signing up for an account. Spocket offers different pricing tiers, including a free trial, which allows you to explore the platform and get a feel for its features before committing. Once you're in, the first thing you'll notice is the intuitive dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll discover products, manage your orders, and track your sales. The real magic of Spocket lies in its product catalog. You'll find everything from trendy fashion accessories and unique home decor to cutting-edge electronics and niche hobby items. The key here is to find products that resonate with your target audience and have a strong profit potential. Don't just pick random items. Do your research. Look for products with high demand, relatively low competition, and a good markup. Spocket makes this easier by providing estimated retail prices and allowing you to filter products by category, price, and even shipping location. Once you've identified a few potential winning products, it's time to import them to your online store. Spocket seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and BigCommerce. The integration process is straightforward and usually takes just a few clicks. Once connected, you can import products directly from Spocket to your store with all their details, including descriptions, images, and pricing. Now, here's a crucial step: optimizing your product listings. Don't just rely on the default descriptions provided by the suppliers. Craft compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits of the product, address potential customer pain points, and use persuasive language. High-quality images are also non-negotiable. Spocket often provides excellent product photography, but if you can enhance it or add your own unique flair, even better. Think about the story you want to tell with each product. Pricing is another critical aspect of making money with Spocket. While Spocket suggests retail prices, you have the flexibility to adjust them to maximize your profits. Consider your target market, your operating costs, and your desired profit margin. A good rule of thumb for dropshipping is to aim for at least a 20 to 30% profit margin after all costs. Spocket allows you to set automated pricing rules, which can be a huge time saver as your product catalog grows. Once your store is stocked with optimized products, the next phase is all about driving traffic. This is where your marketing efforts come into play. There are numerous strategies you can employ. Social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are excellent for showcasing your products visually. Run targeted ads, create engaging content, and leverage influencer marketing to reach a wider audience. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your product titles, descriptions, and website content with relevant keywords to rank higher in search engine results. This can bring in organic, high-intent traffic. Paid advertising. Google ads and social media ads can provide immediate visibility and drive targeted traffic to your store. Start with a small budget, test different ad creatives and targeting options, and scale up as you see results. Email marketing. Build an email list from day one. Offer incentives like discounts or exclusive content to encourage signups. Use email marketing to nurture leads, announce new products, and run promotions. Content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, or guides related to your products and niche. This establishes you as an authority, attracts organic traffic, and builds trust with your audience. When an order comes in, Spocket streamlines the fulfillment process. Once a customer places an order on your store, Spocket automatically syncs it with the supplier. You then pay the supplier the wholesale price, and they ship the product directly to your customer. You don't have to touch the product, pack it, or even think about shipping labels. It's a truly hands-off fulfillment model. Customer service is paramount for long-term success. Even though you're not directly handling the products, you are still the face of your business. Be responsive to customer inquiries, handle returns and exchanges efficiently, and always strive to provide a positive shopping experience. Spocket offers tools to track order status and communicate with suppliers, which helps you keep your customers informed. As your business grows, consider expanding your product offerings. Spocket is constantly adding new suppliers and products, so regularly explore the marketplace for fresh ideas. You can also start to build your brand identity. Create a unique logo, choose a consistent color scheme, and develop a distinct voice for your marketing materials. A strong brand will differentiate you from competitors and foster customer loyalty. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.